Child malnutrition costs Malawi about $600 million a year, with more than half of the children aged between 18 and 23 months suffering from stunted growth. A new cost of hunger study revealed that 82,000 child deaths between 2008 and 2012 were directly associated with lack of food, while 60% of the working population suffered from stunted growth before they had reached the age of 5.
We as a country cannot afford to be seen everywhere, wherever something like this is done, that we are always on the last echelon of the scale.
The study used the latest data from 2012 and noted that malnutrition resulted in high health costs and damaged children's ability to learn. It called on the government to take action towards a drastic reduction in stunting over the next 10 and 15 years by decentralizing how funds are given out and better coordination and monitoring. The finance minister vowed more funds and effective government action.
And I hope that you will be of the same view as myself, that as we have everything that our colleagues have, we have to be doubling our efforts to ensure that where it is possible for us to excel, we must excel.
While stunting is irreversible, it can be prevented.
BFP will continue with our commitment of excellence in support and collaboration with the government and partners on humanitarian response, but also the development work that we do related to food and nutrition security. The school feeding program is one of our flagship, as well as our nutrition support program.
Number one, to move from simple verbal commitment to actual implementation of the right strategies. Secondly, to have the data that is required to monitor and track progress. Thirdly and finally, like you're asking for only three, is to make sure that the right amount of budgetary allocation is given.
Landlocked Malawi is one of the world's most densely populated and least developed countries, with 80% of the population living in rural areas and the economy largely dependent on agriculture. Life expectancy is 60 years, and more than half the population lives below the poverty line. Susan Mongeli, CCTV.